Today, I'm going to show you how to change the color of any image or logo in Canva. So first, head over to canva.com, and over here, you'll find a lot of these icons. Just click on the first one which says YouTube thumbnail, or you can also go on to the top, create a design. If you are on the old layout of Canva, it will probably on the top right corner, it will say create a design. And if you click it, it will have this option called custom size. You can add 1920 by 1080 and then click on create a new design. Now I already have opened up a project window here, which has this. It's a vector file. And on the left, we have got this, which is an image. I got both of these images from the elements section. Over to the left hand side, you'll find this elements section. If you click it, you can search for elements. I just typed an eagle here. And you can look here, you'll get so many different options to choose from. You've got videos, photos, graphics. And if you click on graphics, most of the graphics that you're going to find here are going to be in vector format. If you go to photos and type in eagle logo, you can still find logos here, but they are not in vector format. Why I'm saying it's a vector format or not, let me show you. Like if I click on this one, this still looks like a vector file, an illustration. And this also looks like an illustration, but because we got this from the graphics section, that's why we can edit the colors of it. Like I can just go to the top bar, and I can change the colors of this graphic from here. Like I can click on this one and I can change it to, let's say, blue. And it's going to change the black section of this graphic to blue. Let's make it back to black. But this one, this is an image. I'm not able to change the color of this. So now how to do that? To do this, you will click this image, and on the top you will find this edit button. Click on it, and then inside here you will have this Magic Studio. Now inside the Magic Studio, you need to click on this button to scroll to the right, and you will have this Magic Edit. This is the tool that we need to edit the color of any image. Let's click it. You will have this Magic Edit window open up. Now here you will have brush and click. We don't need to use the click because it's just going to like analyze the whole image, and then you can just use the AI to click certain parts of it. It just selects this one. We don't need to do that. So let's just go for the brush. Under the brush, we have brush size. You can just fine tune the brush size like this. I'm just going to drop it at 20. And let's say we want to change the eyes of our image. So I'm just going to type in change to green. I'm just going to type in change the eye color to green. Let's draw over the eyes here. And let's click on generate. You will have 4 options that you can choose from. And again, you do not need to be precise with your brush. You can just draw over the section that you want to edit, and it's going to edit it perfectly. I'm just going to choose one of them and just click on done. Now let's take a look at second example. This is below. I have added a new page with an actual image of an eagle. Now maybe I want to change the color of the eyes of this one as well. So I will click it and click on edit. And down under the Magic Studio, we will click on this button to expand it, and click on the Magic Edit button. Now again, choose the brush, and below it you will have brush size. Just make it 20 or maybe 15. Draw over the eyes and describe your edit. Now you also have an option of inspire me. You can do that. Change colors to red, woolen material, change color to green. These are here, but we are just going to use this, change color to green, and generate. Now this is only useful for changing colors or the materials and such. It cannot be used to change the hand or leg. If you want to change it to something else, you cannot do that. You need to keep that in mind. Now you have got these 4 options again. They look quite similar to each other. You just choose one of them. But as you can see, the eyes of our eagle in this image have been changed. Now you can just click on the done button, and that's it. This is how you can change the color of any image or logo in Canva. Did you find this video helpful? Let me know with a like and comment.